Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can activate a Visa gift card. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. To activate a Visa gift card, you can follow these steps. Find the Visa gift card number on the back of your card. After that, contact the issuer of your gift card to activate it. You can do this by calling them or visiting their website. If there is a sticker on the front of your card, visit the activation link listed on it. If there is no sticker, use the website listed on the back of the card. Now enter your information to register your card. Be cautious of shady websites and scams when registering your card. So that's basically how you can activate a Visa gift card. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.